Hello, we have here a Ford Escape 2010. This one has a V6 engine on it. We have the Escape, and this one is limited. Also, it has the Flex fuel that's on it. Yep. Okay, so the issue on this car is the water pump. I was on the highway one time. The car was overheated, and the issue was on it is, okay, let's see if I can grab you a better, okay, what can I say? See you, okay, let's see. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah, okay, so the belt was broken, snapped off. I believe, let's see, what can I get? So tight in here. Yeah, okay, I think this is it. Okay, if you can see here, I don't have a belt at all. I think the water pump seized, and that caused the belt to snap. Oh, actually, I have I have it. It's underneath. I can see it now. Okay, here we go. I can see if I can grab it from here. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? Yep, here we go. Man. Okay, here we go. Hi. Yep, that's it. Okay, yeah. Man, that's ugly. Okay. So, yep, the belt was snapped, and so I don't have any circulation for the water inside the engine. The good side, you know, actually I read this before this happened. They said this V6 engine, if it overheats, it will shut down 3 cylinders, and you will operate on the other 3. That will provide some air cooling to the engine from inside. So technically, you know, there should be no damage at all. And actually, you can still use and operate the car until you reach like a safe place. But you know, the manual says you got to be careful, because anytime the engine will shut down if it reaches to a certain point where it is like too bad for the engine to keep running. So yeah, what we're gonna do here is I ordered the parts online, then I'm waiting on the parts to come to be delivered. So today I will try to disassemble the water pump, and actually you see it's on the right side of the engine, or the engine compartment. So yeah, actually we're gonna try to take off the intake, and that's gonna be, I'm gonna use, you know, like a screwdriver to take off this one and loosen the other one. And there is, if you can see it here, there is like an extra hose. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, we have that hose too. This is the hose, and this is the coupling for it. I'm gonna take this one off, so I will free kind of this area in order for me to get close to the water pump. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll try to show you guys step by step, and hopefully that's gonna be beneficial for all of you guys. Yeah, hopefully. Step number 1, take off this part of the air intake. So yeah, it was kind of straightforward. So I loosened, oops, come back. I loosened this screw over here, and the other screw over here, and as you see, there's another attachment that goes all the way from here. It's like a oil evaporator. Okay, so, and the trick, this is easy as well. If you can see, you have, okay, you have here like a small notch that you just take, you know, just push it outward, and it will snap off. And when you want to do it, you're gonna just return it back the way it is. So yeah, just, you know, 2 clicks, or like it really click out. So yeah, it's kind of easy to, and that's it. That's the first one. Okay, and so we kind of freed some spot here. So we still have to go down, because yeah, that's gonna be our so this is the pulley that is with the engine, and that's gonna be our water pump here. I think it has only 3 screws. Okay, so my step number 2 will be removing this hose as well. Looks like it has a clip on it. I just take the clip out. So I just wanna make sure I can work my way to free this spot to get to the water pump. Okay, for the hose. Okay, let's see if I can. Yeah, this is hose. This is the hose. Okay, for the hose, I used a plier, and you know, just grab the ending, and you slide it out. You slide it all the way out, and then this is gonna be kind of stuck. So you just, you know, press on the corner and try to push downward, so it will free. The hose is out, and I just, you know, stuck it over here next to the battery, so it won't go anywhere. I'll try to remove this one as well. That goes to the thermostat housing. So yeah, let's take that one the same way. Gonna take the plier and slide this all the way out, and then push to the corner of this hose so I can slide it out. Okay, the other one was even more stuck, but I think, yeah, I got it out, kinda. Let's see here. So yeah, I slid the clip all the way out, and for this one I had to use just like the screwdriver. Just stuck it in there, and like kinda, but be careful, you don't wanna rip out the rubber. And then at the same time I was pushing and trying to free that spot. Yeah, I think this is the first time this is changed, so everything is kinda really seized in place. So yeah, that's for the second one. Okay, so the second one is out, and I pushed it all the way down. You can see it. Yeah, this is the one. I pushed it all the way down. Okay, so now we freed more space for the water pump. So yeah, you can see we have a 1 bolt over here, and there's another one over here, and the third one should be behind the thermostat somewhere here. So I think, yeah, this is enough for me to try and work on these. Okay, I wish this can be a better way to see it. So yeah, that's basically the water pump. Yeah, it's over here, yeah. The bottom side. I don't want to dismantle the housing, just the water pump itself. So yeah, as you see, okay, this is the first bolt, and the second bolt will be somewhere here, and the other one over there. Okay, although, you know, like my fluid container is empty, or kind of empty actually. I still have like a little bit at the bottom, but yeah, it kind of gushed out some of those liquid. Yeah, as you see here, so I put this cardboard, so it will take everything here, just in case. I don't want to miss my garage. Okay, so here we go. That's the other step, and then we will try to dismantle those bolts. Okay, cool. So far, as you can see here, let's see. Yeah, I got the first. Come on. Okay, I got the first. Let's see if we can zoom in this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the place of the first bolt. I got it out. I used a tad bit of the blaster here. This is a very good one. Actually, it was not too bad. I did not take any issue at all. and that's the first bolt here. I used 8mm socket. I like to use the grip tight. This is a good one. It says grip tight on it. Grip tight. It does not want to zoom. Okay, so this is a good, yeah, just in case if you know your bolt, it won't, if it takes more effort or more force, it won't round up. That's a good one. Small extension. I used this ratchet as well. It's not too bad actually. Yeah, you can get in there easily. And we have the second bolt is out. Choose a different angle. So that's the water pump. Yep, that's the first bolt, and we get the second one is down. That's the second one, and now we're gonna aim for the third one. It's gonna be here somewhere. Here. Let's see. Yeah, it's really hidden actually. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's gonna be over there. No, I can't focus on it. Okay, so you get the idea actually. Okay, third bolt, and everything is out now. So we have the water pump out the vehicle. Let's see here. So this is how it looks. Why this does not work? Okay, let's see here. There you go. Yeah, sorry guys, it does not work. The light is not that bad. It's not that good over here. So yeah, those are 3 bolts, and we got it out. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so this is it. 3 bolts only. And as expected, so this is not spinning at all. Okay, so this is out now. Only 3 bolts. So yeah. Okay, so as expected, this is not spinning at all. And if you can notice here, this is kind of off. Yeah, kind of like pushed out from one side a little bit, and from the other side here it's kind of tight. So yeah, as I rotate it you can see it more. So yeah, so my guess was correct. So the pulley was not functioning well, and out of a sudden it ceased, and guess what, this is not spinning. But I believe I'm lucky, because I was thinking this is gonna be like all broken, and these gonna be all pieces inside the engine. So I'm really lucky actually, just to find like this is one piece still. Oh, let's see. Yeah, see, it's gonna be, this is popped popped out as well. Oh man, it's something. Okay, I hope you can see it even better now. Yeah, so this is the water pump here, and this exactly was like this. So the first bolt is up and these 2 were down. So that's exactly how it is. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean. Yeah, I'll try to clean you know, the lift over of the gasket. I'm gonna use like Amron cloth. It should be it. Yeah. I might change the thermostat since I'm doing this project anyway. So it's on my way. This is the housing for the thermostat. I think it's 2 bolts. Yeah, look like it's 2 bolts out, gasket, and you're gonna be good. So yeah, that's the other one to do as well. For the thermostat, yeah, I just removed, as you can see here, I just removed the first bolt, and the second bolt will be somewhere down here below. Yeah, that's gonna be the second one. Yeah, actually it's not too bad. I use the buster as well, but yeah, it's not too bad as well. 2 bolts, and then we have the thermostat is out. That's the thermostat place, and there you go, that's the thermostat. Actually, this is still working. Yeah, it has a nice like a gasket around it. Yeah, I hope mine will be the same thing. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Actually, kinda sturdy. I like it. Okay, that's for the thermostat. And then, yeah, I've noticed that they did not put any seal over here, so which is nice. They depend on the on this gasket on it. Cool. Even on the house, even on the stationary part, yeah, I didn't see much sealant on it. But you know, I'll put a dab just in case. Here you go. That's for the thermostat. So I'm gonna clean things up, and then I'll try to, you know, I'm gonna wait on my parts, and let's see how it goes when I assemble things together.